So how was school today?
Fine.
You just asked the question that if someone pisses me off, what will I do? What happened? Who pissed you off?
So it was a boy named Ajiri's tall. So like we were playing, today was a football club, so we were playing football. So like I'm one of their best footballers. So like when I could not pass to him, then I went to the other team. I exchanged to the other team. He started to say that I'm playing nonsense. Then I said it's you. So at the end of the day, we told each other sorry.
If someone pisses me off, what I will do is just walk away. I'll just walk away or explain to the person rather that what he just did, I didn't like it, so that he shouldn't do it or he wouldn't do it next time, instead of just keeping quiet. Because most times when you keep quiet at people's offense, or when you keep quiet when someone wrong you, after a period of time it start building up, and before you see, you start developing hate for that person. But immediately someone wrong you and you calmly tell the person, this thing you just did, I do not like it, don't do it next time. You tell the person like that, I'm very sure the person will sit up and probably apologize and tell you now they know better, and obviously try not to trigger the things that gets you upset. So as a student in JS1, you are bound to see a lot of people that is going to upset you, because most times bullies start from secondary school, junior secondary school to senior secondary school, getting to university, which is the reason you should try to maintain your confidence level and work on your confidence level. When somebody offends you, just tell them calmly, I do not like this thing that you did, and then if that person is your senior, of which you cannot tell your senior that you do not like what he or she did, what you can do is go and report to the teacher. And when I come for school pickup like this, tell me, I will also find a way to explain to your school or your teacher, or tell them what you are going through, so that they can work on it. Because over time, when people go through stuff and they don't speak out, after a period of time, it starts bringing out anger, depression. They start losing their voice because they feel nobody will listen to them. Me, I will listen to you. Anything you tell me, I will listen to you. So in case next time someone pisses you off, did you tell him that you didn't like what he did?
No.
And what later happened? He apologized?
Yes. No, like before that happened, like when I was with the ball, like when I was dribbling the players, he was just behind me. So like my hand mistakenly was pushing me, so my hand mistakenly hit his mouth. Then he wanted to cry, so I just told him sorry. Then he told me sorry.
Okay. At least after that incident, both parties now realize that it's important to say what? Sorry.
Yes.
That's good. There's another question I would want to ask you. At least thank God that this person apologized to you and you also apologized to him. So that settles the whole thing. And you guys became friends before the close of school today, have you?
Yes.
Okay, now let me ask you, because some persons have pride in this life that we're living in. Some persons will never ever apologize to you. No matter how you explain to them that you are not okay with whatever they did wrong to you, they will never apologize.
Like when I tell people to stop making a noise, like if I'm the class captain, right, which I am. So if I tell them to keep quiet, some will say no, some will say yes. Like today, I said that everybody copy notes. Some were saying that they want to do talent show, that. Then after that it pissed me off. So one other thing is that if I'm playing football mostly, I don't like when people push me or anything like that. And I don't like when people blame me for things I didn't do.
You don't like when people blame you for things that you did not do?
Yes.
So what you are going to do is you try to study those people that always blame you over things that you did not do, and then you stay away from them. That's called peace of mind and sanity. So that they don't even put you for trouble, because they might even get themselves into trouble and they will blame you for it. So when people that easily blame you, that don't want to take responsibilities for their actions, they're always blaming you over what you are not wrong or what is not even your fault. Such people, you stay away from them. It's at this age and this stage in life that you start channeling your energy to positivity and to people that will encourages you, people that want to bring out the best in you. That's how you build your friends, your friendship with your classmates. But I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. At this stage of your life that you are still growing, it is the stage that you can actually start building friends that think positively, that are like-minded, that are like you. Is at this stage. Any person that's easily blaming you over anything that you are not even wrong, stay away from such person. They will put you in trouble. Let's go and pick your brothers. When we come back to the car, we'll continue.
Okay.
So guys, my first son is in a secondary school not too far from my other two kids. So I have two kids in the primary, one in the secondary. So I am here to pick the other two kids. Let me just show you how the school environment is. So we are here to pick the other two. I'll carry your bag. Let's go. What did you? Let's go.
I'll give you
Big brother. Oh yeah, so the car is open. Wear your seatbelt, so I'm coming now. Me, I'm telling you, speaking from experience. You don't know that if you disrespect head boy, they will punish you. Is this day school that they are doing age in our time, eh? If you do any head boy, go tell you make clear V portion. Do you know what is called V portion? Yes. They will give you cutlass to clear grass. You will clear. You are laughing. You will clear. See, when you clear, next time you will not be disrespectful. If you will be disrespectful at home, you will not bring it to school. So that's what I'm just saying. I'm just saying respect rules and regulations so that you will not fall into your prefect trap. If I'm your head boy, head gay, and then if I give any rules or regulations and then every other person is respecting it, then because you are my friend's younger brother, or because I like you, or because I just like you, you now want to take it for granted. See, the day that I will punish you, you will not believe it is me that is punishing you. I will punish you. Your punishment will be worse than even those that are my enemies. Do you know why I will punish you like that? So that you will not be taking my gentility for cowardness, or you will not take my kindness for stupidity. That is why I will punish you. So what I'm just saying basically is that don't take people for granted. Don't take people for granted. When you know somebody is above you in any position, in class, in anything, respect them and respect what they stand for. Because one day, you might be a prefect too. And the way the life is what you reap. What you sow is what you are definitely going to reap. So when you disrespect people, when they are in their own position, it means when it is your turn for such positions, you are going to have a trailer load of what? Disrespect in return. Do we understand?
Yes. Okay, so
actually, when I picked up the Ifa, every month, can you hear me? So with what happened today in school and with what I've explained to you, how do you react when someone pisses you off in school? You observe and not obsess. Okay, because it's good to observe, and most times what else?
And it is your responsibility not to react if someone pisses you off.
It is your responsibility not to react if someone pisses you off. Do not react immediately. Eh?
Yes.
Even though some persons might think it's not good, it means if I don't say my mind now, if I don't say what is bothering me now, it means he has the upper hand. It means he is stronger than me. It means he won. No, it's not like that. Eh?
Yes.
You are responsible for your joy. You are responsible for your happiness. Even though, like what you asked me, you said, what if it is a very, very painful situation? Even if it's a painful situation, it is also your responsibility to what? Let
It go.
Let it go. It's your responsibility to what?
Let it go.
It's your responsibility to what?
Let it go.
Yes, let it go. You are responsible for your happiness, for your joy, for your sadness. Even when you are down, if you don't give anybody the right to make you sad or feel less of yourself, you will not be sad. So you are responsible for your happiness, for your joy. So if somebody come and the person is now trying to bully you or piss you off, my dear, just find your joy, smile to yourself, go to that part of your classroom that make you happy, go to the library, pick up a book, read, or if it's playing time, play, hang out with people that appreciate you, that appreciate your time. That's what to do. So what have we learned today when somebody pisses off us?
Observe and not obsess.
Observe and not obsess. What else?
It is your responsibility not to react when someone.
Thank you. So we are clear.
Yes.
Yeah. You don't need to react immediately. I'll react later, and when you even react when that person is much calmer, if it is somebody that understood you well, he's going to apologize and tell you, he didn't know that what he did actually pissed you off, that he's sorry and he will not do it again. Because most times when people are angry and that tense and really pissed, if you are trying to explain to them, they will not want to listen because they are not even understanding you, because they are already in a mood that they don't even know what they are doing and they are not their usual self. So if you now react immediately, it means if the issue in the first place was something very small, it's just going to blow out of proportion. Do we get?
Yes.
We understand?
Yes.
Yay, so we are all clear now. So today's video is about how you react when someone pisses you off. I was just trying to educate my kids that it's not about them, it's about the person. And you don't need to start feeling bad over what anybody says concerning you. You don't give people the right to make you feel a certain type of way. No, it's not about, at times it's not even about you, it's about them. They might be going through some stuff. Probably that's why they are giving you all kind of reply. Carry your bag, or carry everything, your water can, everything. So guys, today's video is one of those videos that is actually not planned, but I just want to share with you what I also shared with my kids. When someone pisses you off, things that you can do. It's not actually easy, because most times you tend to want to react immediately, forgetting that whatever happened might not even be about you. It's about them. Maybe something they are going through, something they are going through with themselves, but they just tend to put it and push it to you. It is hard to react when you find yourself in a certain type of ways, even as adults. So therefore, these are things that as adults we go through them. As children, our kids also go through them. So while I picked my first kid from school today, he's in secondary school, JS1, he told me of somebody that pissed him off, and the first thing I did was, what was your reaction? Because most time is basically not really easy when somebody pisses you off. For a child to use that word piss off, let me say my pikin know the meaning of piss off, because me myself as an adult, I don't remember when last somebody pissed me off. Because if you piss me off, I just block, remove, delete you from my contacts. I don't even have energy for drama. As you see me like this, I'm already exhausted. I don't have any. The energy I have is for positivity, not for negativity. Small negativity like this, PM, I don't dust my slippers, I don't do too late, I don't run. So so yeah, that's just what this, basically that's what this video is about. When someone pisses you off, calm down. Most times do not react immediately, because they might not even know what they are doing. So people pisses us off, you tend to have a bad day, no matter how good your day have been. So if you can do any of these two tips, you just try to manage it. I don't know, there are more, but for the now that I just picked my kids from school, these were the two that really came to my mind. And As children, these are the two that I believe they can easily work with and adapt to, because they will be meeting more of their age mates, playmates. And you know, children tend to, you know, get on each other's back, because even my own self not perfect. Trust me, somebody might even be saying to their parents too that they are pissing them off, you know. I don't know where that word came from, but then again, it was something that I needed to address immediately as a mother and as a friend to my child. For my viewers, I don't know if you find this video useful. I'm just sharing with you guys how my day went with my kids. So I try to make my school runs engaging with them every time or every other time that I do pick. So also when their dad pick them. Whenever my husband does school runs, that one self na plenty question, mass calculation, engineer wanting. That one question self they pass my own. My own, what I basically just ask, how did your day go? I need detailed explanation, because from the school to my house is about 25 to 30 minutes drive without traffic. When there's traffic, is about an hour drive. So I tend to use this time to engage them, because by the time we're getting home, everybody is tired, put uniform, do assignment, eat, they sleep. I try to edit video, I try to watch 1 or 2 videos, I try to start thinking of what content to create. So before you see the whole day, that day don't pass. So me, I try to get informations from them. I hope you find this video useful. Like I said, this video have no structure. It's just one of our school runs moments, mommy and children. Probably if you like content like this, let me know in the comment section, so that from time to time I will be featuring my children, my kids in. Let's see how it goes. But this is one of those random discussion, one of those random things we do in the car on the way from school. If you are watching this video till now, you've not subscribed, please help my ministry and subscribe. Thank you. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile, love yourself, self-value, and bye guys.